China also produces 3.3 billion tons of industrial waste every year, including tailings from mines, with the accumulated volume now amounting to 60 billion to 70 billion tons nationwide, he said. There are currently many weak links in the management of hazardous waste in our country, and it needs to be improved urgently, Zhang said in an address. Rural waste is an even weaker link, he said, with basic environmental infrastructure seriously insufficient. He added that 57% of villages lacked basic disposal and treatment systems, while nearly 40% of animal waste isn't properly disposed of or utilized. Inspection teams sent out earlier this year to look at the enforcement of China's solid waste laws had found that local authorities were not taking enough responsibility for the problem. Local governments also needed to improve the way rules were enforced, he said. China is expected to require as much as 10 trillion yuan, $1.5 trillion, in investment in environmental infrastructure over the 2016 to 2020 period, and will spend nearly 60 billion yuan on upgrading and extending sewage systems. Domestic and overseas firms have been positioning themselves to take part. But Zhang said new financing methods were required, including new taxes and payment mechanisms for polluters, with governments and society now bearing too much of the burden on treatment costs. Public-private partnerships should also be set up to invest in waste treatment, he said.